The purpose of this video is to help you learn to use Microsoft Word 2016. I'm Dr. Lisa Henderson. In part 1, I'm going to show you how to open a blank document, give you an overview of the tabs in the ribbon, show you how to type text into a document, save a document, insert text from a file into the document, use the Show Hide feature, center text on the page, and I'll also show you how to format text. You can pause and restart the video as you need to so that you can follow along with me. Let's begin by opening up Word. And we'll open a blank document by clicking on the icon for blank document. You can see across the top that I have different tabs. So I have the Home tab, Insert tab, Design, and so forth. And the ribbon changes depending on the tab. So I have different options to select on each tab. The ribbon is divided into groups. So here I am on the Insert tab, and I have a Page group, a Tables group, Illustrations, Add-ins, Online video media, links, and so forth. And in each group, I have different options. So for example, in the header footer group, I have options to manipulate the header, the footer, or a page number. So when I'm telling you how to do the tasks that I'm going to show you how to do, I'll tell you which tab to click on, which group to look in, and which option to select. So let's begin by putting some random text into a document. I'm in this document. It's right now titled Document 1. That's the default because I haven't given it a name. And I can see that up here at the top of the screen. And I'm just going to type random text here. All right, that's some random text. And this is a good way to start because the next thing that we're going to do, or later in the video, we're going to insert text into another document. So let's go ahead and save this file. Just type a couple of random lines onto the page. Click on File, and let's do Save As. So I'm going to select Save As, and I want to create a folder to put my documents into. So I'm going to select, I want to actually go to the Documents folder. I'm going to Browse, select, and I have the Documents folder active, and I'm going to create a new folder here, and I'm going to call this My Word. I'm going to call this My Word, and press the Enter key to create the folder. Double click on My Word, and now I know that I'm in the My Word folder because I can see it up right here at the top. It's at the far right. That tells me my current folder name. And I'm going to call this file, I'm just going to call this file random text. And it will default as a docx file. That's what I want. And I'll click Save. Let's confirm that it's there. I'm going to bring up, File Explorer. Let's go to the Documents folder. Let's find the My Word folder, open it, and there's my random text file. Good. Now I'm going to close this file. I click File tab, and I click Close. All right, that file's closed now, and I want to open a new blank document. So I'm going to click File, New, and choose Blank Document again. Now I want you to think of something you really love. That can be your dog, your cat, your garden, your child, anything. And for the first line here, we're going to create a title. I'm going to do I love my dog. So whatever it is you love, type it in there. Press the Enter key 2 times. And I want you to write a paragraph, 2, 3, 4 sentences about this thing that you love. Okay, I've just typed a paragraph, and now I want to insert text from my random text file. I'll press the Enter key to start a new paragraph. I'm going to go up to the Insert tab. Be sure you have the Insert tab selected. In the text group, click the drop-down beside Object. Choose Text from File. Select the file that you type the random text into and click the Insert button. The text adds to my document. Now, if I were to ask you how many paragraphs we've typed here on the document, you might say, well, we have a title and we have 2 paragraphs. In fact, we have more than that. If I go to the Home tab and in the paragraph group, I use the Show Hide symbol. I click on the toggle it on, so it's on. I can see these little markers right here at the ends of the paragraphs and also in these blank lines. That is a paragraph symbol, and this actually is a paragraph, even though it's one line. This is a blank paragraph here. This is a paragraph. This is a paragraph, and this is a blank paragraph. Word has a feature. If I want to select a word, I can double click on it. If I want to select a whole paragraph, I can triple click. That's a tip. So the tip here is that you have a quick way to select text or to select a whole paragraph. Also, being able to turn these symbols on might help you troubleshoot a problem. Maybe your text doesn't format the way you think it should. You might toggle this on to see if you have some kind of formatting thing that you don't really want, and you can find it and delete it this way easier. For now, I'm going to toggle this back off because I really don't like to see those symbols. And I've got I love my dog selected. Let's do that again. So I triple click. I've just selected I love my dog, and I want to center this because it's going to be a title. So in the paragraph group, I'm on the Home tab. I click the symbol here or it's an icon for center the text. And when I click that, that text centers. And I want to format this text. I want it to be larger for one thing. So 11 points, not big enough. Let's maybe make it 24 point. And I want to add a text and typography to it, a text effect. So I'm just going to click this to select it and choose perhaps this one right here. Now it's got a real long name, fill black, text 1, color 1, outline, and so forth. I'm going to select that one and apply that. And I like the way that looks. Okay, so this is a good place to save our work. I'm going to click File, Save As, and go back to the My Word folder. And I'm just going to let this default. I'll call the document I Love My Dog. Click the Save button. All done. I'm Dr. Lisa Henderson. Thank you for watching.